Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, I will talk about one of the best video editing software for beginner YouTuber and for those who just started their video editing career recently. Then this software is really help you a lot to grow up in your field. Today we talk about Movavi video editing software, and I think so Movavi is one of the best software for a beginner nowadays. They give many advanced options that really help you a lot to make your video more realistic. So without further any ado, let's jump into the Movavi and let's see what they are providing to us. So here is the official website of Movavi. As you can see, the website is really clean and minimalistic. Everything is categorized very properly. They are mentioning some options like video, screen recording, photo, for work, for education. You can also learn about it by just scrolling down and learn about Movavi right here. So today we talk about some Video Editor Plus. So as you can see, they are providing 2022 version of Movavi Video Editor. So if you are using Windows, then it is okay, you just press here and download a Windows version. But if you are using Mac version, you can also choose the Mac version from here. If we scroll down, we get the options. They are mentioning some features in a Movavi like a title, filters, transitions, chroma key, vertical video, stabilizer, picture-in-picture, stylization, and voiceover as well. You can download Movavi for free from here. They are giving you actually 7-day trial version with their watermark. So I think so this is okay to use a 7-day with a watermark. You get an idea how Movavi give you an options. So they are also providing you some store as well. So let's talk about it. So here they are giving you an effects store right here. So if you're looking for some Movavi effects pack, title packs, or transition pack, they are giving you many packs right here. Just select the pack, whatever you want, buy it, and it will automatically add it in your Movavi. So I really recommended you go with this My Channel pack for YouTube. It is best for beginners. Just select the license, whatever you want, and just get it, and this is really worth of money. So now let's talk about the Movavi prices. So here they are giving you 3 plans right here. The first plan is about yearly plan. If you want a Movavi for a year, then this plan is really good for you. It just costs you $40 per year, but I really recommend that you go with a lifetime plan, but it just costs you $60 for a whole life for a one PC and giving you many other options as well. So I really recommend that you go with this lifetime plan because it just costs you more $20 for a yearly plan, and giving you a lifetime plan, that's a really good for you. So here we are right inside of Movavi Video Editor. As you can see, the interface is really clean and simple. They are providing some option at the very top. Is file, edit, playback, setting, export. It is actually the basic options that every software providing to us. So the main option they are providing is import. Here is the file import. You just press add file and just adding some files for your project that you actually need. So they are providing some very amazing sound effects right here. If you need the background music, they are also providing some background music as well. You can choose whatever you actually like. You can also download many more from just press here and you just go to the official store of Movavi and get whatever you want. They are providing some simple video for your projects, some simple backgrounds for your projects obviously, and here is the effect packages. So it is actually the same pack they are providing to their official website. They are also mentioning this option in their video editing software for your easy access. You can choose the software whatever you want, buy the key, and just open it in your Movavi within a few seconds. So here is the filter option Movavi actually providing to us. It means the color grading option or color grading alerts you actually need in your projects. So they are providing many more filters right here. You can choose whatever you want. So here is the transition option they are providing to us. They are providing many more transitions right here. You just select the transition according to your footage, according to your choice, and just drag and drop, and you're done within a few seconds. So the next option they are providing to us is title. They are providing some basic title for our work, and I think so that is enough for our work. They actually providing the intro, outro, lower thirds for your social media titles, and I think so that is enough for you. You can also choose some categories like features, basic, opening, speech bubbles, and my YouTube channel that I actually get it in a Movavi. You can also get it in the link in the description below. So here I think so that is a basic title, and I think so it is enough for our projects. They are featuring some sticker option right here. You can use this sticker in your project videos if you want it. Categorize it like comic, summer, emojis, objects, travel, love, and many more options right here. You can choose according to your requirements. And the best of this software, they are also providing some very professional options for your work. Like they are providing some video editing and audio editing advanced options. So let's talk about some video editing option they are providing to us. They are providing some color adjustment. You can also choose the color adjustment right here. You can manually change the color, hue, shadows, gamma, and everything you can categorize. So I think so that's a very good option they are providing to us. The next option is crop and rotate. If you need a crop in your video and you need to rotate, you can also get it from here. You can choose the overlays, you can zoom in, you can stabilize your video. If your video is really shaky, you can be stabilize your video, and at the very second you get this animations as well. It's just like work like a transitions. You can also get the highlights, chrome key for your green screen, and the screen detection logo. If you need to add some logo in your footage, you can also choose it from here, and the slow motion as well. If you need some slow-mo in your video, then you can be done with that. So if we talk about audio editing feature, they are also giving a many option to edit our audio like noise removal, equalizer, compressor, and many other options as well. So overall this software is really good for a beginner, for a YouTuber to edit their videos. So it is actually a time-saving process to use a Movavi. So if you are interested, link in the description below, must check it out. If you go with my link, you will get a 20% off on a Movavi. So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you have any question about Movavi or any other video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.